Hey brewers, back at you with another fucked up Friday. You know who I am, or at least I hope you do. I don't know who you are, but I wish I did. You know what I do know? This beer right here, this little amber ale that I made, you know, not generally a hop forward flavor, but I don't know if you know this about me, but I loves the hops, okay? And there is not enough hops in here, okay? So, how do we fix that, Brad? Beer's already in the keg, it's already carbonated. You're gonna add hop flavor now? Fucking rights we are. We're gonna use this little fancy pants thing right here called a dry hop keg filter. You can make a shitload of tea with this thing. Like, look at all that room. It holds, I don't even know, 5-6 ounces of hops, that's one heck of a dry hop. So we actually have a little, this is our new Copper Ridge Amber Ale. Nice little standard amber ale. I'm gonna turn it into an American amber by adding some more Cascade. There's already Cascade in here, but we're gonna throw some cryo in here, baby. First thing, I'm gonna open this sucker up. So number one, disconnect the gas. Done. Number two, okay, so when you're gonna put the hops in here, I've already dipped this in Star San, so it's already ready to rock and roll. One thing I forgot to do was if you wanna pull this out before the keg is finished, good idea is to put a little bit of dental floss on here, non-flavored, so when you drop it in, you can have the dental floss hang out there. It'll still seal around it. I don't have any dental floss, so we're just gonna leave this sucker in here until the keg's done, which should be, you know, a couple of days, right? First thing, open up our cryo Cascade, very sanitarily, like I always do. And then we have a little smell. Oh man, like if y'all haven't tried out cryo, you gotta get on it, man. This shit is the best. Okay, so then we just dump these suckers right in there. See, like that was 1 whole ounce, and we put like almost a pound in here. There's like nothing in there. But 1 ounce goes a long way, and once this ounce gets full of liquid, it's gonna be about yay big, okay? So close her up. If we were smart, we'd put a little bit of, dental floss on here, but I don't have any. So, purge our keg. I'm gonna crack her open. Okay, and this is the fun part because you gotta actually have the lid all the way out to be able to fit this in. Luckily, we've already drank about 1/4 of this, so that's gonna help with our foaming up issues, but the second I drop this in, it's gonna start foaming up. Travis, you better get ready. Are you ready? All right. Now look at that foaming up. Okay, so if this was a full keg, I would have about 2 seconds. I mean, it's still foaming up like crazy to put the lid back on before we made a big mess. So because we already drank a bit, good thing we like to drink, we're just gonna close it back up, put our gas back on. Oh wait, not at 30 PSI though. We want 12 PSI. Boom, 12 PSI on. Do the pro version, make it seat properly without touching. And there you go. 24 hours from now, there's gonna be some hops in this bitch. Can't fucking wait. Unfortunately, can't try it for you right now. We'll see you next week. Stay thirsty.